To the other big story that we are tracking at this, it's the preliminary investigation in the Ahmedabad-London flight that we've now accessed. Boeing was flying with minimum equipment list. Also, the MEL approval comes from the DGCA. I'm just going to get you details of what is the MEL right now. We're going to go across to our reporters on the ground itself. Investigation is likely to be followed thereafter. Let me just quickly go and see if we can go across to Harsha for more details. Harsha, could you just perhaps flesh it out for all our viewers? What are the details that you're getting right now with regards to, number one, what's this approval in the first place? What is the equipment list that you're essentially talking about? And are you suggesting that Air India has basically come to a conclusion with regards to the list, the equipment list that they were essentially carrying at that point in time, which does not match the approval list?
So, Shravan, right now, through the preliminary report, there are so many technical points in the AIB preliminary report, but initially what we have got to know is the MEL. It's the minimum equipment list. The approval which comes directly from the DGCA, that means DGCA has to give the approval to the airlines if they are flying the aircraft, if they are flying the Boeing with the minimum equipment list. This clearly states that if there's some problem in the engine, if there's some problem in the landing gear, if some extra equipment is needed, that equipment is not available in the aircraft. That equipment Air India doesn't have. That equipment has yet not been restored in the aircraft to fly that particular aircraft. That means they are playing with the safety of passengers, not now, since long. These all MEL approval is given by DGCA, which is the regulatory body. So it also comes under the DGCA, also now comes under scanner. That how come DGCA was giving the approval to Air India to fly the aircraft with minimum equipment list? Flying an aircraft with minimum equipment list, it's itself very dangerous and it's very scary for the passengers. Anything could happen airborne, anything could happen mid-air. And right now what we have got to know is that DGCA is the one regulatory body which gives the minimum equipment list approval to Air India. And in this case, most of the Boeings which Air India is flying with minimum equipment list. Most of the equipments are not available in the aircraft. That means any point of time there could be problem in the landing gear, in the normal braking, in the flight control system, and something like this has happened in the Ahmedabad Gatwick flight as well, which crashed. It was flying with MEL. Most of the equipments were not in the aircraft, or most of the equipments were not maintained. There were equipment issues in the cockpit. There were equipment issues in the engine as well. What the prelim report is stating and suggesting. Now, this is the preliminary report which we have accessed from the AIB. More details is yet to come. But yes, Shravan, this is the very important thing which we need to highlight is that DGCA should also be kept under scanner, because DGCA has been giving MEL approval to Air India. Back to you.